Hello everybody, my name is Stacy. I am an employee at Eco Fragrance. So in these beautiful bottles, you can see it's in gold, it's in silver. Here we get our 1 kg pure oil. And I'll hand it over to some of my colleagues. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I'm Tamia. I work in Eco Fragrance. As you can see, I have oil-based perfumes which are ready-made, pure oil 100ml perfumes which we produce here at Eco Fragrance, the 10 ml and many more of our perfumes in any ml that you would like.
Hi everybody, my name is Wilhelmina. I work at Eco Fragrance. As you can see, we sell hand sanitizers, 100ml and also 100ml gel hand sanitizers. We also have this beautiful empty bottle. You can buy and go refill with your own perfume. As you can see, this is just $16. You can buy and go refill.
Hi everyone, I'm Helena Mutarani, work at Eco Fragrance. As you see now, here we have a very nice scented powder that are smelling nice that you can use to put in your blankets. Eco Fragrance, we also wholesaler and importer.
Okay, so I'll then continue. So everybody, I'm going to invite you to our store. Here we have already packed perfumes, and here at Eco Fragrance, our goal is to give financial freedom to our fellow brothers and sisters of Namibia. So basically, we want you to become a success of yourself and a success for your country. We have perfumes in 30ml, we have perfumes in 10ml, and we have scents for any and everybody. We have for the young, for the old, for the men, and for the women. And next, thank you.
We also offer training on how to make your own perfumes. Do you want to start your own business? Don't hesitate. Contact us. We have different packages for training.
And if you're not in town, we can courier to you any place countrywide. We're here for you. Visit our different branch, one from the north, Oshakati, at Fantasy Property next to Yellow Complex, and Chinatown Windhoek.
And also, kindly visit our different social media pages, which is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and obviously our website, which is www.emecofragrance.com. And remember, you are never fully clothed without your perfume. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.